Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the NFC tag. Now, my card is unlocked, which means if I tap into my phone, bam, my website comes up. That's awesome. What if I want to change the function? Well, there are a lot of different programs out there. I have an Android. I have a Google Pixel 6, which has NFC abilities. So I'm using NFC Tools, which is on the Google Play Store. But yeah, basically it says approach an NFC tag. Oh, Lloyd, what do you know? I have an NFC tag right here. Boop! It reads the tag. It tells me this tag is a MyFair Ultralight. It gives you a little bit of information. But if you go over and say write, add a record, and then you have a text record, you have a URL, that's if you have a website that you want it to link to. So I would suggest either add phone number or add contact or link to a website. Those are the three options that I would do here. With contact, you can type in your contact name, company address, phone number, whatever information you want to give the client or love interest who taps your phone or who taps your card. Once you have all that filled out, what you do is so look, I'm going to go custom URL, beep boop pop, okay. And then I'm going to hit write to card. If you're using a Gen 1 Clown Care card, you probably have around 800 bytes. And those are rewritable. You don't want to write them over and over again, but yeah, you can rewrite them several different times. And I think these last 10,000 uses. I think that's the limit or whatever, or what they're rated for. So you're gonna be using this for a while. So yeah, you hit write, it writes to the card, and bing bam boom, your NFC chip is ready. Do you have to lock it? I would say don't lock it. If you lock the tag, you cannot change it afterwards. It is locked. You'll have to purchase another one if you want to change it. Yeah, so that's it. There are ways to do this on iPhone. When I have an iPhone available, I will post a link. And if you're someone who's using an iPhone and want to set up your card, hit this link right over here. I will go over how to do it on a Macintosh.